Imagine managing your WhatsApp business communications effortlessly from anywhere, ditching the desktop dependency. Let's get you started with Wati on your mobile. First, open your mobile browser, that's Chrome, Safari, or any browser you prefer. Type in your Wati URL, usually something like Apoitio, into the address bar and hit enter. Now, enter the same email and password you used to log in on your computer. Tap the login button. Great. You're now inside the Wati mobile interface. The first thing you'll see is the conversations section, where all your chats are neatly organized. Tap on any conversation to open it. Inside the conversation, you can read messages, type your replies in the text box at the bottom, and send them just like you would on WhatsApp. See that menu icon, usually 3 lines, at the top left or bottom of your screen. Tap it to access other Wati features. You'll find options like broadcasts to send messages to multiple contacts, contacts to manage your address book, and integrations to connect with other apps. And don't forget the settings, usually found under your profile icon here. You can manage your profile, notification preferences, and other important account settings. And that's it. You're now equipped to manage your Wati account on the go. Enjoy the flexibility and stay connected with your customers wherever you are.